Hi there, students. To actuate, a verb. An actuator, the thing that actuates. Actuation, the noun for the quality. Okay, to actuate, we use this in two different ways. Firstly, to actuate is to put a machine in motion, to make a machine work. So you use the actuator to actuate the machine. If you press the on button on your computer, that actuates your computer. Yeah? By turning on the electricity, that switch actuates your machine. Yeah. So this switch actuates the machine. It activates. It switches it on. It starts it up. It turns it on. Yeah. It makes it operate. To actuate, to put into mechanical motion. So the pump is actuated by a windmill. Okay, so to actuate, if you press the remote control, that sends out a signal which actuates your television set, for example. Okay, and that's the idea of to actuate. You can also use actuate about people. And I think this is more formal. I think actuate for start a machine, this is engineering. Yeah, it's more technical and a bit formal. I think to actuate a person, a person is actuated by an emotion. This is the emotion that makes them act in a certain way. So he was actuated by jealousy. Yeah, it was the reason why a person acts in a certain way. Yeah, it's related to the word act. Yeah, he was actuated by a feeling of altruism. Yeah, or to cause people to take action. He gave a rousing speech that actuated the crowd into action. Yeah, to motivate, to incite into action. Yeah, he was actuated by desire. Yeah, he was actuated by selfish motives to move somebody to action, particularly the reason behind somebody doing something. Yeah, effectively to motivate somebody into doing something. Yeah, his acts were actuated by malice and hate. Yeah, he really hated this person. So to actuate, to rouse, to stir up, to fire up, to stimulate, to motivate. Okay, so, well, you could be actuated by love as well. It doesn't have to be a bad thing. Okay, formality, to actuate a machine with the actuator. Yeah, the actuation of the machine comes from the actuator. 6.5 informality, I wouldn't use it informally. To start, to turn on. Use it in a semi-formal writing, just about in a semi-formal conversation or something formal. And then his what he did was actuated by greed. This is formal and rather literary. I'm going to go 6.5 again. Informality. I'm not sure I'd use it in a semi-formal conversation. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, well, this comes from actuatus, from the verb actuo, which comes from the Latin verb actus. And one of the participles of the verb ago, meaning to do in Latin. Okay, so yeah, actuation, it means something does, it begins to do, the reason for doing something. So, what actuated you to watch this video? I'm sure you were actuated by a desire to improve your English. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Actuate, actuator, actuation.